Thank you for tuning in to Everything Valves, the channel dedicated to bringing you everything valves. Thank you for everyone supporting this channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe for more valve videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to grease a floating ball valve. This valve has a zert fitting here on top, as you can see here. This fitting greases inside of the stem and packing area. So we're going to look a little closer into that. This valve actually has a section that's cut and can be removed. Here's a closer look at the valve's internals. You have your seat here. This is your ball. Here you have your stem. This white gasket is a thrust washer. You have a stem O-ring. This little ball right here is your anti-static device. This other O-ring here is another stem O-ring. And here you have another thrust washer. Here at the top is the zert fitting. This fitting is where we will connect our grease gun and pump grease down into the stem packing area, and the grease will come out of this groove here. It is recommended to only grease the stem packing area in the event of an emergency. If the valve is working properly, do not apply grease. So now let's grease this valve. So here we have our grease gun. This is just a hand pump grease gun. It has a fitting here that will match our stem. What we're going to do is connect our grease gun to the zert fitting on top. Once it is connected, so now we're going to begin to pump grease. As you can see, the grease is beginning to come out here. So because of the cutaway, the grease would normally run across this channel to the other side, creating a barrier here of grease. So if anything were to pass this O-ring, you have this grease as well as this secondary O-ring here to prevent any leak coming up and out. This grease is very important and can help with the sealing of the valve. To give you guys another demonstration, I have here a similar stem. It has the fitting on top here. And if you can see this hole right here, this is where the grease comes out, and this is a channel where the grease will travel. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. We're going to connect the stem to the grease gun. So there it is connected. So now I'm going to begin to pump grease. As you can see, that's where the grease will begin to come out as you pump it. So this grease will travel all the way around the channel here, creating the seal. Here we have your body, your seat. This is your ball here. You have your stem right here. This is your stem thrust washer. You have one stem O-ring here. This is your anti-static device here. This channel right here is going to be where your grease travels. This is your secondary stem O-ring here. And this other thrust washer here is for your stem plate. And this is your stem plate here. Here you're going to have your spiral wound body and adapter gasket. And then you also have an additional adapter O-ring here. These are all the components that make up a floating ball valve. I hope this video was helpful in giving you an understanding on how to grease a floating ball valve. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you for watching Everything Valves, and we'll see you in the next video.